Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to start with a data-capable USB cable and the phone unlocked. This is essential. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone, then open developer options and enable USB debugging so your computer can see the device. Make sure your PC has drivers installed. Without them, tethering fails. Connect the phone to the PC now and allow any permission prompts that appear. This authorizes the USB link and prepares the device for tethering. With the cable connected and debugging allowed, go to Settings and open Connection and Sharing or Network and Internet. This path varies slightly across color OS versions. Once there, you'll see USB tethering. Flip the toggle to enable it. If the toggle is grayed out, pull down the notification shade, tap the USB options notification, and choose Transfer Files, MTP, or File Transfer, then return and try the USB tethering toggle again. This step sets the phone to share its mobile data pipe to your computer. Once USB tethering is enabled, verify the PC recognizes a new network adapter and has an IP address. That confirms internet sharing. If you see no connectivity, make sure any VPNs are disabled on both devices and that mobile data is active on the phone. VPNs can block tethered traffic. If the adapter is missing, restart the phone and the computer, reconnect the cable, and re-enable USB tethering. This often clears driver or negotiation glitches and completes the only.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.